slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at this black Swarovski box logo by Supreme Swarovski collab or whatever, I guess. I think this was about a month and a half or 2 months ago that this dropped, but this is from H4Hype, so if you don't mess with that rep fam, then I don't know what to tell you, get off the video. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, drop a like on the video, and last but not least, turn on notifications for your channel. And remember to follow your boy on that Instagram, link will be in the description. So shipping with this tee was about a week and a half or two. So there's that, and yeah, no other issues whatsoever. So let's get into it and take a look at this tee. So here we go. Ignore me sounding tired, like I just got back from work and I had to do some like water changes on my fish tanks, so I am pretty exhausted, not gonna lie, but I'm trying to bang out these videos for you guys anyways. So yeah, you already know, let's get into it. So there's all the information. There's a website, h4hype.net. Instagram is at h4hypeofficial. I believe that's their current Instagram. It should be. If it's not, just let me know if that doesn't pop anything up. Their WeChat is H4Hype, and if you use the code iReviewStuff, you can save yourself 10% on anything site-wide. So I don't know when this video will be up, if they'll still be doing it, but they were doing a Rolex giveaway, so make sure you're following them on Instagram and stuff like that to stay up to date on when they do things like that. So anyways, this is what this shirt came with. It did come with a bag, of course, Supreme bag, and then it did come with this Supreme Swarovski care instructions: machine wash cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, lay flat to dry, do not tumble dry, do not iron, do not dry clean. And then a bunch of different languages on the back. So I guess kind of just a little thing they included just because it is a collab, and it obviously has Swarovski crystals on it, so that's probably why they did that. Yeah, so let's take a look at the tee real quick. At the neck tag, there's how that looks. My fingers look like prunes, especially like my thumb's so gross right now because I've had like my hands in water and stuff, and I've been picking at my thumb, so it's disgusting. Ignore that. It looks better when it's dry, even though there's not much better than that. So 100% cotton, got Supreme on the top, pre-shrunk, 100% cotton, made in USA, got the dot after the A, size large. And then you got the Swarovski logo right there, got Supreme below that, and there is also our RN number as well. So, and it just says like obviously like wash instructions there as well. Supreme. Back of the tag, oops, back of the tag, Swarovski box logo tee, black, and then it has like a price, I guess that might be in, it wouldn't be in euros, I don't know, but yeah, so it has that as well. And here is the box logo. That look, whoo, look at those. That's hitting, baby. That's hitting. So you can see the placement is really, really solid on this. Yeah, like they nailed it. Like the box logo is crisp as hell on the sides and the top of it, and you can just see how hard it's shining, especially if you go in depth, like up close, not focused. Yeah man, that's crazy. I did not expect it to bling this much. So if you wear this thing in the sun, stunner. Like it's a dope shirt. Super simple, it just says Supreme on it, but it is clean nonetheless. Rest of the tee, I don't see any like imperfections in the actual like box logo itself, so there's that. If you guys see anything, let me know, but to me it looks one-on-one. Rest of the tee, just a black tee. Yeah, nothing really crazy going on with the rest of it. So stitching's on point, quality of the shirt is nice, and it's like mid between thick and thin quality. And this sizing for the shirt as well, this is a large, and it fits me, and I usually wear an XL, if that gives you kind of an idea. So I'm not saying size down, definitely go true to size, but it will fit a bit, not baggy, but just not super tight, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't know if there's really anything else to go over. Super dope tee. I think they have it on their site right now. What I paid for it was $59.99, or $59, whatever. And then obviously like shipping fees, stuff like that. So pretty dope price for a pretty sweet tee. It is on point, so I would say it is worth the money. Do I condone this stuff? No, I don't, but I'm just showing you guys what I do with my money. So with all that being said, I will leave you guys with that. If you are new to the channel, you know what to do. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts on this tee. Did you like it? Would you wear it? Would you cop it? All that sort of stuff. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day. Not gonna make this video much longer because there's no point of covering. Super dope tee. I got it in this colorway, and then you'll see, I don't know which review I'm posting first, but I got it in the other colorway as well. The white with a red BOGO, red Supreme BOGO, and then there's also a red on red, which is pretty dope too, but I didn't cop that one. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts on this. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. And yeah, more heat on the way. Talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.